from a finance team perspective, we were coming from many years of usage of SAP BPC. And SAP BPC was coming to its end of life. We decided to take it as an opportunity, go back to the market, confirm that we were doing the right thing. And that's where we discovered Tagetik, and we saw that it was the best fit to our needs. We were looking, while doing this replacement, to also elevate our processes. We wanted to make sure to improve the efficiency and efficacy of our processes. We wanted to minimize effort for our people when it comes to financial closing. And of course, what we found amazing in Tagetik was the capability to integrate with the different systems and to make very seamless closing processing. Actually, what we were looking was someone who could partner with us, that could understand our value creation processes and help us enabling them and perfection them. And that's what we found in Tagetik. We really found a partner which was sitting at the same time, at the same side of our table, co-creating together, co-innovating together, helping us reaching our excellence goal. So it was not just about the solution itself, which is excellent, that can do it all, but it was really about the quality of the collaboration, being together, succeeding together. That's what we loved of the experience with Tagetik.
As well, looking for a partner that could really help us, not only from a technological point of view, but really from a partnership and, following us together in the project and make sure that, we could achieve our goal also from a human perspective. One of the biggest challenges that Tagetik is helping us to solve is to have more a platform approach, both from a finance but as well from an IT point of view. We can really activate what we want when we want, so we can start with something smaller and then grow bigger and make sure that the transition is not too fast or too soon, but it can happen just when really we are ready and then when we want.
What is also very relevant for us is to have, of course, a very complete and compliant data set when it comes to our internal reporting as well as for the external disclosure. And in that sense, actually, Tagetik is helping us collecting the data, validating the data, making sure that we are confronted with consistent data set, give us the confidence and the trust into the figure that we are looking at. I would say the user interface. It's so friendly and so self-explanatory. We really saw the value of it because we have such a huge user base, and we could really appreciate how it's minimizing the training effort and the change management effort.
Ability to combine in an easy way as well the two souls of finance and IT, so that it's not really a super complicated tool to use as well from an IT perspective and from an administration point of view.
What we believe makes Tagetik unique is their people. And that's something which Tagetik acknowledges, respects, and piggy banks on. And that's something, let's say, also from a user perspective, from a customer perspective, which always amazes and surprises us, is the consistency of the experience. Tagetik is not just a product, it's a way of doing things.